Here at Momentum Manufacturing Group, we offer a complete manufacturing solution to our customers. As the largest manufacturer of metal components and assemblies in the Northeast, we offer extensive services in machining and fabrication, custom aluminum extrusions, surface finishing, custom cabling, lead fabrication, as well as assembly and supply chain solutions. Because of our broad range of capabilities, we can fill more of our customers' needs. This helps them reduce the number of vendors they may be managing, which ultimately leads to lower costs and less complexity. Some of our customers were working with over 100 different suppliers when they came to us. Another reason OEMs and product manufacturers work with us is our agility. With over 800 skilled workers, multiple locations, and a fully integrated operation, we can easily scale to accommodate customer growth. But beyond our size, our substantial investments in new technologies, automation, and robotics is a differentiator for us in the industry. These investments have improved product quality and dramatically reduced production timelines and costs for our customers. Many of these investments created redundancy in key areas, giving us the ability to produce customer parts in multiple locations simultaneously. From 2D and 3D laser cutting and automated high-speed machining to forming and robotic welding, some even including fully automated manufacturing cells that have the capability to run 24/7. And at our aluminum extrusion facility, we just added a second 8-inch extrusion press line that is fully automated from billet handling through packing. I've been with MMG for over 10 years. It's been exciting to watch our customers grow. We've had customers come to us for metal machining, and over time, they've expanded to include all of our services and now look to us as their strategic partner to support their growth. One of my favorite customer success stories is our work with one of the world's largest commercial food service equipment companies. They asked if we could double our production capacity for one of their most important product lines. So what do? We bought a building, purchased $5 million in new equipment, and brought on 150 employees. Today we are shipping nearly 40,000 finished goods annually for them, often direct to their end customer. For our customers, we are more than just a resource. We are a strategic partner. I believe our commitment to them and their business growth is why we have so many long-standing relationships. Some of our customers have been with us for over 30 years. That says a lot in this industry.